In Germany, you have two important canals, one in the east and one in the west. The western side is by the river, and the eastern side is the lake. Those canals is completely sealed up. No one comes to pay attention to those canals, in spite of making several requests to the region.
Where is that? So why are they go?
Germany. We know what Germany treated. We helped them before.
So Chairman, tell us what you did in Germany. Where is that? And who did you work with in the region?
Last Friday,
No, forget. You said nothing has been done.
no, nothing has come to those canals.
So at least say what you have done in the last 3 years.
Yes, the article the regional
Regional superintendent.
No, forget about visit. What has been done in the last 2 years in that area? You said you did things there. What?
We did some drainage work in Cross area, Germania.
Well, as I speak,
No, let's clear up this part. The chairman is saying that the region did some drainage work. Did they do any drainage work? You have residents from that area?
no, we ain't
Any
getting
other?
no
You'll
canals.
have one, two more. Did they do some drainage area earlier?
Yes, but they put in the children and the children come like this. So no water, no heat, no water in contact.
So
It's
who is the
completely
engineer?
sealed up.
Who is the engineer?
Now we asked him to clean it and nobody didn't go in and nothing. Now we going to tree and all just dry.
Where is the engineer?
Engineer.
The regional engineer who did this. Where is the regional engineer? Every time you have the same problem here. The asking for you is taking so long to come by? Why you didn't fix the problem? When you need to get on the report, you went and inspected through the job with it?
Who designed the
The
project?
boss is saying off with them the truth.
Yeah, but who designed the project?
No, we're with her. Ma'am,
They give the children and I believe when they were walking on the road, then they go down and they just put it.
engineer, you ever visited this area?
But the high one that do the work, the boys you don't know to do the work.
When you visited the
So
area?
now when they just put the dirt on the children,
All right.
the children come up
I
like
hear.
so.
When you visited the area? When did you visit? I'm asking you a very simple question. What's your name? And this guy walking with you?
Yes, we shall Dalek, right?
When did you visit? And I ask the people, don't lie to me. When did you visit the area? Did he visit earlier this year?
Why didn't you see it? At least he didn't, I guess him, I didn't know.
And other people visit and they promise to be on the
So when you visit, you didn't see the problem? What
No.
problem you saw?
They didn't fix it for me.
What problem you saw when you visited? No, take the mic. I want to hear what problem you saw when you visited. You went for a drive or you went for a visit? Give him the mic.
Like,
I tell you, I will hold people accountable in this place. I'm telling all the engineers, we will hold you accountable. Tell me what you did, what you saw when you visited.
President, we just visited the entire area and we just stopped in each village.
Oh, you stopping? That's your visit.
We visited each village.
Yes, what you did, you visited, where is your report? Who did you send the report to? Is there a report?
No, Mr. President.
So what was the purpose of the visit? If you're an engineer, you went to visit the area. You don't even have a report of your visit? Where is the area? What is going on? What is going on?
I know they visit, but I didn't got a report.
And you're the REO, you know they visited. So we just what? Wasted money to go and visit? You didn't even seek a report?
And then when they have issues, you can write that.
Did these guys when they go to visit, they don't bring back a report and give it to you officially?
Sometimes orally, if there's an issue.
Man, are you satisfied with that?
But everything said.
What do you think should be your position right now? My position with both of you.
Whenever they have report that they visit right right to me and it's an issue, we will go and address that right. If they go and complain, it's a
You don't understand the problem up to now, you know. You don't. This guy went out to visit, he don't even have a report.
Mr. President, they complained to
That's,
Are
we
you-
don't tell me you complain to the RU. You're the minister, you complain to the RU. Continue.
Yes. On that same note, we wouldn't like to have the recurrence of the last flood because in our area, the chairman was there, the vice chairman was there, the media was there, the then local government minister was there, Mr. Durham now. The village had about 3 feet water. Things floating to and from. I have a little business, I lost about $800,000 from that business. Right? The mattress, the stove, the freezer, everything was good. So I will be very grateful if that problem can be addressed. Let us have a small 46-inch tubing or a small cold board to solve the problem once and for all.
Okay, good.